Many Bay Area counties were hit hard by flooding during and in the days following Hurricane Ian. In the aftermath, some of those spared by the storm are now looking to protect their own homes from future floods. 10 Tampa Bay's Miranda Parnell spent all night talking to experts for insight into the market and what you should be doing right now to protect yourself in the future.
In the aftermath of Hurricane Ian, our property insurance market is still in turmoil.
Florida already had the most volatile home insurance market in the U.S.
And Mark Friedlander from the Insurance Information Institute says many homeowners without flood insurance are now left with a lifetime of hard work washed away.
The devastation of Hurricane Ian is going to be catastrophic for many families because they didn't have flood coverage. Every Floridian should have flood insurance. It doesn't take a hurricane to cause catastrophic flood damage.
And while many families are forced to start over, others are still searching for companies to simply protect their homes as the Florida property insurance market remains chaotic.
Things were really in collapse prior to Ian, and Ian has only taken this house of cards that was collapsing and added a Category 4 hurricane to it.
Senator Jeff Brandes called for a special session earlier this year to address issues with property insurance companies, saying now that he'd like to see the governor assemble a task force to come up with concrete ideas to stabilize the market.
I think the task force needs to be put together in the next 2 or 3 weeks. I think they need to be given a deadline of about a month to get everything done. And then I would expect that they would call a special session and be done with it before January 1 of 23.
And for now, experts like Friedlander are advising people to look into flood insurance policies and to call their agents to make sure there aren't any gaps in their property insurance coverage, because hurricane season isn't over yet.
What happens if I suffer a catastrophic loss? Who is going to help me recover?
Miranda Parnell, 10 Tampa Bay.
Friedlander says if you look today, some flood insurance policies can kick in within a few weeks. We also reached out to state-run home insurer Citizens Insurance tonight. Leaders there tell us they are estimating more than 225,000 claims after Ian. They say they'll likely dip into their reserve fund to cover the projected $2.5 billion in damage.